DIY Corner, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY scrunchie. So, let's get started. What you'll need for this is fabric of any sort, some type of elastic. So yeah, just elastic. You can use a rubber band as elastic too, but just like any elastic. What's it called? A needle and thread. And a sewing machine if you have one. If you don't have a sewing machine, then you can just hand sew it. So yeah, step is to lay out your fabric. You want to measure about 2 feet of fabric, and then draw a line right here. Well, you don't have to draw a line. You can start to cut here, which is and draw a line right there, and then cut it out. Not to mention, you need scissors. Now that it's cut out, what you want to do is flip it over to this side, and you want to fold it like this. Fold it like this. And then you want to put it on your sewing machine. Okay, first I'm going to turn it on. So, you want to put it on your sewing machine like this. You can do it this way. And then just put it down and start sewing. So, let's get started. You don't have to do really doesn't matter how much. Oh no, I think I messed up. Hold on. Guys, I messed up, so I'll try that again. In this, but make sure you do a few back stitches. Now that this is finished, the next part is a little tricky. So, what you want to do is flip it inside out. Be back when this is done being flipped. Okay, I'm all done. It kind of looks like a snake thing. But the next step is to get your elastic and put it through the fabric. Stay tuned for a tip. Okay, so my tip is to get your pair of scissors. Put it at the opposite end that you put your elastic through. Once your elastic has like just a bit left, you put it on your scissors and you just scrunch it up. And you can wait until you feel the elastic inside the fabric. And once you feel the elastic, you want to just open your scissors a bit and like grab it. Wait, hold on. Okay, I got it through. And make sure to snip carefully because sometimes I accidentally cut the elastic, and that's not very good. So the next step is just scrunching it up like this, and then it'll be stretchy. And then what you want to do is tie it up like this. You can tie it like how you would tie a shoe. Okay, now this is all finished. And what you want to do is just tuck this in into both sides. And you want to make sure it's stretchy. You can make your scrunchies smaller, but it's easier for me to make them bigger. Make sure they fit around your wrist though. So yeah, if you want them to be like smaller, like less thick, like smaller I guess, then just instead of 6 inches, do 4. That way they'll be 2 inches on each side. Right now there's 3 inches on each side. And make sure there's always an even number of inches, because that way it'll just look better. And yeah, so the next step is to thread your needle. So you get a needle and you thread it, and then you just basically just sew around the line that has the elastic. Okay, now that's all like this, your scrunchie is all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and more. Bye!